On 30th August, there is a low pressure has been formed over the Bay of Bengal. It has been increased. It has intensified into a well-marked low pressure on 31st morning. It has been crossed as a depression in 31st midnight at 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. At this time, 12:30 to 2:30 has given the immense winds as well as the rainfall over the both Telugu states. Especially while seeing the Krishna district has received the 27 centimeters rainfall, and as a lot of places has been flooded and inundation has been taken place. In the count at the same time in Telangana state also, while crossing over and after the crossing, it has given good amount of a rainfall, and exceptionally heavy rainfall has been received nearly 40 centimeters over the Malayal in Mahbubabad district, as well as the Tirmalaya Palam in the Khammam has been received 24 to 27 centimeters rainfall. Nearly 25 places received the extremely heavy rainfall. 126 places has received the heavy rainfall. Nearly 30 places received the very heavy rainfall. Due to the exceptional heavy rainfall and the extremely heavy rainfall episodes, this Khammam and the Suryapeta and these districts, Mahbubabad districts have been flooded. As we seen that there will be a completely Krishna belt. Munneru has been the tanks and the lakes has been received in the Munneru sub-basin, and the Paleru sub-basin might be have the flooded water has been inundated over the Khammam district. While seeing the last 2 days, there are lot of flood water and inundation has been there in the Khammam. As is this moving towards to the crossover the Kalingapatnam coast, and it is moving towards the Jagdalpur as the same as the depression. Now the depression has been situated in the east of Vidarbha as Chandarpur, nearby the Chandarpur district, and it might be they become weakened into the well-marked low pressure in the next 12 hours. Due to this system and a north belt of the Telangana might get a good amount of a rainfall, especially the Adilabad districts might get the good amount of a rainfall, will give the heavy rainfall, will give the yellow alert has been issued for the Adilabad district. Rest of that system has been influenced over the eastern part of Telangana has been decreased.